Welcome to MTC Creative Kitchen, where he bakes, creates delicious dishes, and blend refreshing juices.
Greetings, everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. It's indeed a pleasure to see my subscribers as well as my newest subscribers. Thank you all for coming. Now, for today on the menu, I'm gonna prepare chicken kebabs. Yes, you heard correctly. That's chicken kebabs. Now, guys, this is something worthwhile watching, and you do not want to miss this. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Thanks for tuning in. Now here are some chicken breasts, and it's approximately a pound and a half. I did went ahead and I took the bone off of it. You know what I mean? Because you have to debone it, right? And then I clean it up and then wash it with lime juice and vinegar. What I'm actually doing is just to cut the chicken breast into some nice cube size, and that's the way it should be. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna cut them too big or too small, but it has to be reasonable. Now this process won't take too long, but just bear with me until I'm through. Now, as I was stating from earlier, I'm just cutting the chicken into some nice cube size, and as you can see, they're not too big or too small, but they're reasonable sizes. Now, this chicken breast here, as you can see, right, what I'm gonna do is just to slice it down. You know what I mean? 'Cause remember, when you're cutting them into the cube size, right, you wanna make sure that the chunks are not too big. So you wanna cut it down to size like so, and then after cut it down the side like so, then what you're gonna do is just to turn it to the side, and then you're gonna cut them just like I'm doing it, and that's how you should do it. Now guys, here's the result after finish cutting up the chicken breast. They're not too big and not too small, but reasonable. So what I'm gonna do next is just to add some dash season to my chicken breast, right? And then I'm going to add some Maggi or pepper season as well. Okay, the Maggi or pepper season and the dash season, they make the perfect combination, and that's why I like to use both of them. After adding my two favorite dry ingredients to the chicken breast within the bowl, which is my Maggi all-purpose and the dash season, I'm just gonna go into my hands and massage the chicken breast and just ensure that it's properly coated. While I was seasoning the chicken breast, it came to me, I'm gonna add some of that blended jerk season that I have in the fridge. No, I'm not gonna add too much, just a few spoonful. You know what I mean? That should be enough. After adding the blended jerk season to the chicken breast that's in the bowl, I'm just gonna use my hands and continue to massage the chicken breast, because then I wanna ensure that it's properly coated. Now guys, my blended jerk season has a mixture of all different kind of season, and that's ginger, garlic, onion, scallion, scotch bonnet pepper, and pimento berries. Now guys, I don't want to seem like I'm exaggerating, but I do not use a lot of powder season when I'm seasoning my chicken. If you notice, I normally use the Magyar pepper season along with the dash. However, you can use whatever you choose. You know what I mean? But I'm just saying, these are the kind of seasons that I use to season my meat, chicken, fish, or whatever. Now the chicken is fully seasoned, so what I'm gonna do is just to rest it on the fridge and allow it to marinate for the next day or two. Here's a list of all the seasons that I have in the bowl. Now I have 3 bell peppers and 1 onion, and that's a red, yellow, and green. And these seasons they were washed and cleaned up, so I'm gonna demonstrate to you on how I'm gonna cut them up. First thing first, I'm gonna cut the top piece off along with the stem. Then I'm gonna cut the bottom. Then I'm gonna use a knife now to tuck within the pepper and cut out the middle piece along with the seeds. And that's how it's done. And I'm gonna continue this until all the peppers are finished. It's time to cut out the peppers into cube size. Now guys, this method is quite easy. You do not want to rush it, you know what I mean? Because then you don't want to rush it and spoil it. So what you need to do is just take it one time and just cut them up into cube size, because then that's what is required. Now I know your guys' method may be different from mine, but then this is how I like it, you know, because then now, you know, I chose to eat healthy. You know what I mean? And that's why I say I don't use too much seasoning, as I mean the dry powdered season. I use what is required from me because I try to eat healthy. The sweet pepper is now finished cutting up, so what I'm gonna do is to get the purple onion, and then I'm gonna slice it down the middle like so, and then I'm gonna cut the half. I'm gonna cut it across, but then I'm gonna ensure it's cut evenly, right? It has to be cut evenly. You don't want to have two small sides and one big side. So I'm gonna cut the next one the same way. It has to be done evenly. And when I cut it across, I'm then gonna cut it along the sides as well, just like that. It's as simple as that, guys. So just follow my method and you'll never go wrong. The onions are now finished cutting up, so what I'm gonna do is just place them in a bowl right here. And upon doing so, I'm just gonna loose them up to make it more easier for me whenever I'm ready to use them. Now guys, this method is really not hard enough. There's nothing to it. It's quite simple and easy. So if you follow my method, believe you me, it will turn out just the way you like it. So here I have my pineapple that I did peel and dice off cam. Here is my purple onion. Next I have my bell peppers. Now guys, this is my kebab stick. Now these sticks were put in water to soak just to avoid them from being burned when they're on the grill. So what I'm gonna do now is just add some seasoning to the kebab sticks, and that is some onion and sweet pepper. Then I'm gonna add a piece of chicken. Along with a piece more onion. Then I'm gonna add some pineapple to it. Now guys, this is just my method, right? Now you can choose to do yours differently from how I do mine, right? But this is just a preview on how I do it. You know what I mean? So I'm just gonna continue these steps until I'm through. So continue to watch as I do my thing. Now here's the result after placing the seasoning and the chicken and pineapple on the kebab sticks. So what I'm going to do is just to place these aside, and I'm going to catch the fire and get the ball rolling. Now guys, the grill is lit and the kebabs are on the grill, and I'm telling you, it has not reached anywhere yet, and you can smell the essence that is coming from the grill. It just smells so delicious, and it's not even halfway through yet. Just imagine when it's done. Guys, it has always been a pleasure to share with you what I do in my kitchen, so please remember to thumbs up the video, leave a valuable comment, share me out, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell and allow it to be on all. That way you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you for watching.